Welcome to my channel.
How to set up Brother DCP T780DW ink tank printer. Easy step-by-step guide.
First, carefully unbox your printer and remove all tapes, protective films, and packing materials inside and outside. Open the ink tank cover and fill each tank with the supplied Brother ink bottles matching the correct color slots. Load plain A4 paper into the tray and adjust the paper guides so the sheets fit perfectly. Connect the power cord to the printer and plug it into a socket, then press the power button to turn it on. On the printer's control panel, select your language, set the date, and adjust the time. Follow the on-screen instructions to perform the initial ink charging and print head cleaning. Press Menu, Network, WLAN, Setup Wizard, select your Wi-Fi network, and enter the password. On your computer, visit Brother's official support website. Download the latest driver and software for the DCP T780DW and install them. Print a test page to make sure printing quality and connectivity are perfect. Install the Brother iPrint and Scan app on your mobile for easy wireless printing and scanning. And that's it. Your Brother DCP T780DW is now fully set up.
Thank you for watching.